Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these feather to bird nails. Ever since I first made this design, which was nearly 2 years ago, I've completely fell in love with it. Here you can see the original design as well as my different recreations of it. I've actually also made it twice with my non-dominant hand, which you can see in the pictures to the right. For this design, I'll be using one of my super thin detailing brushes from Winstonia store. These are some of my all-time favorite brushes for detailed designs, and I'll leave a link below to where you can get it, as well as a special coupon code which will give you 10% off your entire order. I've started by applying a base coat and then I painted all of my nails white. I also applied a fast-drying top coat to make it easier for me to fix any mistakes if I mess up later. It's really important to let the polish dry completely before starting making the design. So for the design, I'm using black acrylic paint, and the reason I'm using paint instead of nail polish is because it's much easier to work with, plus if I make any mistakes I can easily scrape it off with a toothpick. When doing designs like this that go over several nails, it's important to make sure that the actual design lines up properly. It's really helpful to rest both elbows on the table when making the design. I also like to rest my pinky finger on the hand I'm working on just to make my hand more stable, and it also gives me more control over the brush. I guess the rest is kinda self-explanatory, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. So when you're all done with the design, just let the paint dry for a couple of minutes and then apply a fast drying top coat. And that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!